Good morning from Inspired to Sew. My name's Kaylee.
I'm Bobby.
And we're here to tell you about the new Start Quilting projects that you're not going to want to miss.
We have totally revamped this program, and we want to appeal to people who are just starting out, so that we will teach you wherever you are, and we're going to start by teaching you how to make flying geese, and then we're going to move on to these other patterns over here. So these are some new choices that we've done.
We're going to help you get some fabric together that's going to coordinate really well, and we have some of those already pre-made for you, so you don't even have to worry too much about that. And so we're going to help you from the pile of fabric make it into a beautiful finished quilt. So the first step that we'll do on the first day is we'll teach you to make the flying geese unit. And the flying geese unit we're going to teach you because it looks really challenging.
But once you learn how to make a flying goose, you can just move on to anything. It's a great introductory block. And then the other part is that we're going to teach you to make these whatever size. Our rulers are able to make these whatever size fits onto your panel or your project, so it's a very versatile piece. So you can see I have small, tiny flying geese on this quilt, and Kaylee has bigger flying geese on hers to go around her panel. So that's one of the things that we're going to teach you. So here's some samples of the new layouts that we're going to be promoting, and then we have some samples that our employees have made of most of those. So Kaylee and I have made the flying geese around any size panel, and you'll notice that we can make this work for any size. And then across, but still using the flying geese. And then Carmen made these two. Same thing, flying geese, matching pieces, but look how different they look. You can make these any size, out of any fabric, and they look gorgeous.
This piece, this one right here, and she fussy cut the Tula Pink kittens out of the Tula Pink fabric.
To wrap this up, the reasons why you might want to come to Start Quilting is A, if you are a very beginner and you'd like to learn how to do this from start to finish. We're going to teach you how to cut, how to pin baste, how to quilt it, how to bind it. If you are a more experienced quilter, what you might learn are some different layouts, some different techniques to make your quilting a lot easier, and how to put together a fast quilt for a gift, or you can make it into a table runner. There's lots of different options that we can talk about for people who are not beginners. But the main thing to know is that wherever you are in your quilting process, from the very beginning or a little more experienced, we will meet you where you are and help you move forward.
So we wanted to show you our classroom area. This whole upstairs is our classroom area, and when you come to class, we're even going to set a machine up for you to use, just like one of these here at this table. So if you are interested in signing up, you can just give us a call. We hope to see you soon.
Love to see you.